Good morning everyone, how are you? Today I have brought you into my bedroom. I thought I would do a video. I've never done one like this before, which is organising my wardrobe, my capsule wardrobe into autumn and winter. So getting rid, oh I've seen spider web, bloody hell, I've just dusted here the other day. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So I thought, yeah, I would do an autumn-winter capsule wardrobe and just show you how, when I'm feeling organised, I sort out my wardrobe. And it's nice to bring you along to see what kind of things I have in my cupboard. And maybe you'll get some ideas because I'm just not great at that. I'm not a colour coordinated person. I don't do the Marie Kondo. I just, for me, I need to see my clothes, otherwise I forget about them. So well, imagine in your wardrobe you've got all the seasons in there, you don't know what you're wearing from one day to the next, and I just can't be dealing with that. So grab yourself a cup of coffee and a hot beverage, whatever hot beverage, and join me with my wardrobe shenanigans. Let's take you over. I keep my ready-to-wear clothes in the wardrobe in the bedroom. The rest of the clothes go in my makeup room. So, you know, it's messy, okay guys, so don't, you know. Okay, so I can't even show you the bottom because, okay, well look at that. Oh my God, what the hell's under there? What's in there? We're not gonna deal with that right now. I've got one shelf up there, which I need a ladder to get up. And then I've got my hanging things. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take out all the summer things. I mean, we've got coats here. I've got this summer shirt. What is it doing in here? I'm not wearing this. Am I going to be wearing this now? No. Ask yourself, am I going to be wearing this season? No. Throw it on the bed. I am going to wear this shirt, this shirt. Just first off, figure out what you're going to get rid of that's summery. So things that I wear in the summer, technically, like also this dress, again, I might wear it, but we don't really know. So I'm just going to take out what I'm not wearing anytime soon. Now, I keep all my jackets and coat in there because I love them, right? You want to wear what you love. I think that's what it all comes down to with me. But also, if you put what you know you're wearing in your cupboard where you can see it, every morning, you know whatever thing you pull out is going to go with everything else that's in your cupboard. So, you know, I bought this to wear in the summer. Did I wear it? Did I heck? Oh, no. Pull it out. I've got a few of these dresses. I bought this because I was feeling a bit, you know, Victorian for autumn winter. And these are like my autumn winter dresses. So I'm going to leave those in there. I bought this gorgeous cute denim jacket. Have I worn it? I haven't. It's kind of summery. I don't know about this one yet, so I'm going to just throw that out. This is a summer shirt, really. So that's going to come out. This, I do wear this shirt. These are my jackets. I'll keep my jackets in there. Tops like this that you want to layer under things, yes. Don't know whether I want to hang that up. Cardigans, yes, but this needs to be folded and it needs to go up there. So I'm going to start taking those bits out. So now with everything that I've taken out, that I'm going to go through now, I'm left with just this in the wardrobe, which is mainly my coats because I'm a coat freak, the shirts that I know I'm going to wear, the dresses that I know I'm going to wear for autumn winter, and I'm going to leave that like that for now. Now I'm going to tackle the top, jumpers. Look at this corner, what the absolute hell. I mean, oh, that's me in a nutshell. So I'm going to now go through my jumpers and I kind of put them together in sort of chunkiness. So the chunky ones go together, the thin knits go together, and then the jeans and trousers. So look, it's supposed to be, you know, I've got some sort of corduroy and stuff here. I need to take those out, see, am I wearing them? And then put them in a separate pile because chances are you're not wearing all of those jeans. I wear probably 2 pairs of jeans come autumn and winter, maybe 3, and that's it. So why have I got 20 other jeans there that I don't wear? So I'm going to do that now. Now we've got all my knitted jumpers up there, my thin knits there, my 3 trousers, which is my black jeans, cords and leather trousers, plus my mom jeans will go on the top, and then my good sweatshirts. That's the top. Okay, bottom bit done, and I've just spread it out so you can see the selection, right? Jackets, coats, outerwear. Then we've got sort of like, it's a cardigan, gilet, it's less than a coat. So these will go like that. These are my autumn, you know, and I've put it from smart coats, which I barely wear, to my wintry coats here. Ooh, then we've got shirts. So I've got, you know, the shirts that I wear at the moment, right here, I can see them. I've also got my trousers here. So my jeans, my cords, my leathers, my other jeans. So I can look at that and I can go, right, okay, this can go with this can go with this. I can see everything that I'm wearing. Nothing that I'm not wearing is hidden. Then I've got my dresses. So these are my autumnal dresses. I like to wear tights with cardigans, or you know, I got this skirt recently, really cute, because you know I'm into like the clothes from Gossip Girls. I was like, oh, I could wear this with tights and something else, I don't know. Anyway, but the point is, I can now see everything. I can see my jumper. It goes with this. It goes with this. For some reason, I don't know if you're like that, but if I don't see it, it just, I'll never know it's there. So it's got to be in front of my face. So that is that. Now the bottom bit, which is all shoes and bags, it's just going to have to be tackled another day, you know what I mean? Hodgepodge down here. I mean, in this bag here is where I've put all my scarves and gloves and knitted stuff. So, you know, I just keep it in there because I've got nowhere else to put it. And yeah, like I said, I've got to sort out these shoes. So there you have it. That's my version of wardrobe tidying up. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was fun. Let me know if you're the same as me, you know. I find this stuff really difficult, but I don't like not knowing what I have, and I like to see what I've got. And, you know, take it task by task. Don't stress yourself out. Whatever you're not wearing, get rid of it. Recycle it, give it to charity. Don't hold on to it. You know, if you don't even like it, just get the hell rid of it. Do you know what I mean? So that is my wardrobe and that is my video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.